Welcome to ClipCraft.ai, the only creative toolkit you need. This is an online, free photo editor, video editor, online DAW, AI image, video, music, and voice generator all in one place. And you can take the tools and they interact with each other. So you can be editing a photo, send that frame to your video editor, take the sound from your video editor, send it over to your online DAW, edit it, send it back to your video editor. We have multiple tools to where you can send your video to our captions tool and put TikTok style captions onto your video. And our generators also are going to interact with everything as well too, right? So we have our image generator, multiple different models, the cheaper ones with flux depending on what you need. If you want to use the higher, more expensive ones, Nano Banana, GPT, we have all of the best ones. Moving down, we have our video generator, which this is basically, we have all the popular engines, Cdance, VO, Kling. So generate your videos. Once you generate the videos, you can even post it to our online feed, and then you can just see what people have been posting. We have our audio generator, which is very similar to Suno. From here, you can drop in a song title, add lyrics. We even have the AI to just generate the lyrics for you. Once you write some lyrics, build a song. You can take that song, you can even extract the stems from that song, and then you're able to send this straight to Soundcraft, which we'll just go ahead and send this song to Soundcraft. But you could do the same thing with the stems, right? So you have your vocals on one line, your drums, and everything that it can detect is going to put it into its own audio layer. And then we have all these different plugins, auto tune, reverb, delay, MIDI effects. There's instruments. You can take these instruments and everything is able to get synced up to your MIDI controller, and you can even strum along, which is something that I don't know of any other plugin that does that. And every time I see that, I just love it. So many plugins and everything. We have samples. You can upload your own samples. So that's ClipCraft. We also just have multiple tools where you can do tons of different things. Photo resizer, where you can just quickly resize some photos to get the size that you need. Image converter, change images to WebP, AVIF, PNG, and then compress, convert, do batch images. PDF compressor, compress your PDFs. Geotag, where you can take photos and then apply coordinates to those photos. This is a batch tool as well. We have background remover, video captions to add captions, virtual piano, learn music theory, and then just more tools being added. And this video right now that I'm recording is I'm actually using this screen recorder to record the video. And then you can even send links with it. So I'm adding many, many more tools along to this, many more updates, but that's ClipCraft. Thank you for checking it out. Be sure to like and subscribe. And then lastly, for just the pricing and stuff, we do have our free plan where you can access all of our tools. The only ones that are going to cost you money are going to be our generators. So if you're going to use video generation, audio generation, any of that, then this creator or studio plan is going to be the best option for you. Those generators aren't free, so I do have to charge. If you want to save projects on the free account, you get 100 megabytes project storage. But if you do need to just get more storage, we do have the ability to just purchase more storage, or you can just jump onto our saver plan, which does give you a few extra tokens for AI and gives you 2 gigabytes of storage. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy.